Since we've set up, we've had people come in and say to us they just love the fact they're not lying on their backs to do work. Secondly, getting the job done as safely as possible. When we were establishing the company, we went down the path of going, okay, we needed some for cars that weighed 1.5 tonne to 2.5 to 3 tonne. Then realising a lot of four-wheel drives had canopies and trays, and we needed larger hoists for the safety of those. So that's where we went. AAQ could supply us with all the different types of hoists. They gave us recommendations. They had marked out where they should be. We agreed. We gave them a good rundown of what we needed. So they turned around and went, this is what we're going to do. On the day, on that time, they were here. The equipment was all delivered, easy as. They did the whole lot. The car community is a very close community. So whenever they have the opportunity to be able to bring a friend along to work on a hoist, to get under there and actually have that conversation or the interaction with another person who loves cars, something that I've always loved doing. When it's up on a hoist, you have that freedom and that safety aspects to feel comfortable checking things in the car.